What's up, everybody? Nolan of Black Diamond Services. I am out at an empty house. I'm actually doing a bid for a real estate agent. And she said that there was some pet stains. She was not lying. So I haven't even earned this job yet, but I guess another local carpet cleaner was supposed to be here on Monday to do it, and when he saw the job, declined it. So she's wanting me to do all the carpets, the tile, kitchen, looks like the laundry area. It looks like the dryer vent probably needs to be cleaned too. Holy smokes, yeah, if that's just in there. So before I leave here, I'm definitely doing a test clean on the tile so I can see what I'm up against. Go to the other side of the house. Of course, this entry here. Let's take a peek in here. So it's, yeah. Whoo! Wow. They're going to be doing an estate sale, I guess. Wow. This must have been a larger dog that never got taken out, because, I mean, even the drapes are hit by urine. You can see it along, even on the wall. Looks like that's probably baking soda to try and mask it. But yeah, this is bad. Like, it should be ripped out, but they don't have the budget to rip it out right now. She didn't mention this hardwood floor, but I am going to bring it to her attention if she's wanting that dealt with. And now we got, looks like a little office. I mean, every room, I'm assuming, got hit. Wow. Holy smokes. Got a bathroom in here, look. Where? Pee all over it. Yikes. I mean, it's an older, holy smokes. It's an older house, but it's a good size, and it's in a good area in Oakdale. I don't know the background story behind it. I think, sadly, somebody passed away due to age. But anyways, I mean, if it were me, I mean, I'd rip out the carpet and do a little remodeling, but otherwise, I mean, it's a nice layout, you know, house and everything. But yeah, these carpets are just, oh boy. Yeah, I was right. Look, baking soda. It's being used to mask some of the odor. So we got actual poop on the carpet. It looks small, so it's either a cat or a small dog that has just had its time to blow this carpet up. I mean, this is bad. Bad. Yeah, I mean, I can improve this, but this is one of those situations, wow, that it is, I would suggest replacement. So I'm going to say that in my estimate here when I send it to him. And I'll text her because she's not in the area. Just wanted me to come by and figure this out for them. So I'm up for the challenge. But when you run into jobs like this and it's that much pee, you cannot guarantee anything because ultimately the smartest thing to do would be to suggest replacement. I think that's just the honest thing to do. So I'm going to suggest it if she wants me to go ahead and get this as clean as possible, because they just can't do, afford replacement, because it's a good size amount of carpet. This is probably, once I measure it out, I'll know obviously, but it's probably at least 1,000, maybe 1,200 square feet of carpet. So to replace all this carpet, have it ready by, I think she said next Wednesday when she's taking pictures. And today is currently actually Wednesday. So a week time period to have all this ripped out, put new carpet in, even if they had the budget for it, is probably not feasible. So again, even just seeing that, I mean, that's a fair amount just in one spot. And you can see dirt and stuff has just been attracted to it. So it's been there for a while. A lot of this staining's been here for a while. There's discoloration and whatnot. That is going to be an issue. So I wanted to do this walkthrough and share it with you guys because, I mean, you even got some pinkish stuff here, whatever this is. Pink discoloration to the carpet. So yeah, doing this walkthrough with you guys so you can see what I'm potentially up against. I think they're just going to go ahead and have me do it, but I'm going to make my honest suggestions and say, yeah, it should be replaced because this is bad. See all that lighting up over there? I mean, it's noticeable without the light, but even more so right there. There's a random area rug here, which she didn't mention, but I mean, if this has been sitting here, I would just toss it if it's got the same exact problem as this carpet does. So when you run into a situation like this and they want you to clean it, get it as clean as you can. She asked, like I said, just for the carpet and the tile in the kitchen and the entryway here, but I am going to ask about the wood because, I mean, it looks like it got hit as well. I mean, you can see over here, it's discolored a little bit. Can't notice it until you get the light on it, but it looks like something was there, whether it was a plant pot, which I see a circle, so that very well could have been a plant pot, and caused some discoloration, but at least it can be cleaned to make it a little more presentable. So I'm going to make that suggestion along with my other ones that I stated earlier and go from there. All right, guys, so if I haven't mentioned it before, when I do tile estimates, I always try and do a test clean, especially in an extreme situation like this one, because I don't think the whiteness of this is going to come off. I think this is worn to the point where it needs more than just cleaning, but I may be wrong because I know this is pee throughout if you saw my walkthrough. So it looks like I'm getting a response to the urine because I put some of the pet treatment cleaner in with this to potentially break down the urine, which has hydrogen peroxide, which is causing a bit of this reaction here. So let it sit for a minute, short minute. Give it a good scrub, and then wipe it all up with some towels that I brought with me. Because if I can get this to come up, or at least look presentable by doing it by hand, then, you know, I think the client is going to be more inclined to say yes, even though it is in dire need. There's no denying that. But I think some of the glazing of this tile, or whatever finish is on it, is worn off. And so that's why there's some white haze looking to it, and you can see the color difference here. Some of the finish has came off. But if I can get it clean for them, I think we're going to be okay. Yikes. That is gross. Look at that. Wow. So, still got a little bit more So it still looks a little white in those areas, but if they have me do it, I'm going to clean it and let it sit much longer. Going to be using pressure to rinse this off and hopefully make this floor look better. But I mean, you got a tile right there that's missing grout. It's loose. It's just sitting there. There's other ones just like it. There's cracked grout throughout this entire floor. There's a loose tile in the front entry. You've got the air duct cover is falling in, rusted like crazy, probably from pets peeing in it. So now you got that going on. You got to clean the air duct system. So there's one of the returns where a filter goes. I didn't check to see if there's another one, but by gosh, I would suggest spraying or cleaning that out and then applying a deodorizer to it, so that way when you turn it on, the stink doesn't come right back through the house again. But anyways, guys, that is definitely an improvement compared to what it was. So I hope you enjoyed this video. A little different than what I normally do, but man, boy, did I have to show you guys this video, this walkthrough and everything. So if I land the job, no doubt I'm going to be videoing this one as it's cleaning. So cross your fingers that we land this one. This is a big job, and in order for me to do it right, they got to understand what I got laid out in the cost for this. So this is an all-day job, no doubt, for one person at least. But depending on our schedule, I might have Adam out here with me too. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next one.